Hello guys, there's currently a massive problem with Hypixel. Let me just show you. If you search up Hypixel right now, hypixel.net, right? Push enter. It says Hightail shutting down. Yeah. What is this? We believe in our community. Bitcoin gives us a link. Ethereum, we should appreciate taking such as that. Then it goes to here, the Talking Bear 2, Simon 0. And then it takes us to this. And all I'm saying is, yeah, someone hacked Hypixel. But we're not done, okay? Me being such a invested Skyblock player, 500 hours. Yeah, I'm not that invested. But anyway, I wanted to get on Skyblock. It says fail to authenticate your connection, right? We go on Hypixel. It says that. Does it? And it's taking a long. Oh yeah, there you go. Fail to authenticate your connection, right? Okay, so then I look this up. Right? First thing I see, a hypixel.net/threads. We click on it. This is a default page for not found, which first of all, this is not found, which is really bad. And you'd never, as a website owner, never want to have this default page not found, because what it tells us is this: an Apache server, which you don't need to understand it, but it's just a server, and it's running on Ubuntu and the port 80. We know it's open, which for hackers, yeah, this is stuff we want, right? Well, if you look up Apache 2.4.29 exploit, we can see it right here. There's a big exploit where you can get admin. Yeah, I think you can get admin. Yeah. You can get admin privileges, right? Not good. That's not good. That's. I thought it was a honeypot, but apparently the whole site has been hacked. Probably because of this. We go to home. Hypixel's all chill about it. Yeah, we are aware of the issue currently with the Hypixel website. We're currently not shutting down. Neither is the Hypixel Studio. Yeah, you need to hack your website back because you just got hacked by a bunch of. Where is this? A bunch of like high schoolers. It looks like. Oh wait, it's back. Oh, what? What is this? What is this trickery? What is this trickery? What is this trickery? What? I'm speechless. You know what? I just called for Hypixel to work. Wait. That means I can play Skyblock again? Come on. Let me play Skyblock again. Oh, okay. I probably have to relaunch my launcher, honestly. But that is absolutely crazy. Maybe I'm just tripping out the wazoo. They definitely have their server back, that's for sure. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just tripping, I guess. Well, I'm pretty sure I'm not tripping. That is crazy. For that split second, Hypixel was down for an hour. Wow. Good job, Hypixel.